should we drink?
It's pretty hot out.
Well, let's drink beer.
Can we have 2 beers, please?
2 big ones?
Yeah, 2 big ones.
The hills look like white elephants.
I've never seen one.
No, you wouldn't have.
Well, you know, I might have, just because you say I haven't. Doesn't mean anything.
They painted something on that. What does it say?
Oh, it's anís del toro. It's a drink.
Can we try it?
Listen, can we have 2 anís del toro?
With water?
Do you want water?
I don't know. Is it good with water?
It's all right.
Do you want them with water?
Yeah, with water.
It tastes like licorice.
You know, that's the way with everything.
Yes, everything tastes like licorice. Especially all the things you waited so long for, like absinthe.
Can you cut it out?
You started it. You're just being amused. I was having a fine time.
Then let's try to have a fine time.
All right, I was trying. I said the hills look like white elephants. Now, wasn't that right?
That was right.
I wanted to try this new drink. That's all we do, isn't it? Look at things and try new drinks.
I guess so.
No, the hills don't really look like white elephants. I just meant the coloring of their skin against the trees.
Should we have another drink?
All right,
The beer is nice and cool.
that's lovely.
No. It's really an awfully simple operation, Jake. Oh, no, it's not really an operation at all. I know you wouldn't mind. They let the air in, and then, you know, I'll go with you, and I'll stay with you the whole time. They let the air in, and then it's perfectly natural.
And what will we do afterwards?
We'll be fine afterwards, just like before.
How do you know that?
It's the only thing that's bothering us. It's the only thing that's made us unhappy.
So if I do it, then things will be good again. We'll be happy.
I know we will. And you know, you don't have to be afraid. I've known lots of people who have done it.
And so have I, and they were all so happy afterwards.
Listen, I don't want you to do it if you don't want to. I wouldn't have you do anything you're not comfortable with. I just know it's perfectly simple.
And you really want to.
I think it's the best thing to do. But I don't want you to do it if you don't want to.
And if I do it, things will be good again, and you love me.
I love you now. You know I love you.
I know, but if I do it, then things will be good again, and I can say things like white elephants, and you'll like it.
I love it now. I just can't think about it. You know how I worry.
If I do it, you won't ever worry?
Well, I won't worry about that because it's perfectly simple.
Then I'll do it. Because I don't care about me.
What do you mean?
I don't care about me.
Well, I care about you.
Oh yes, but I don't care about me, and if I do it, then everything will be fine again.
Listen, I don't want you to do it if that's how you feel about it. we could have all of this. We could have everything. And every day you just make it more impossible.
What did you say?
I said we could have everything.
No, we can't.
We can go anywhere.
No, we can't.
We can have the whole world.
No, we can't. Because once they take it away, you never get it back.
They haven't taken it away.
We'll wait and see.
Listen, come on back in the shade. You mustn't feel that way.
I don't feel any way. I just know things.
Listen, I don't want you to do anything that you don't want to do.
No, that isn't good for me. I know. Can we have another drink, please?
Well, we can, but you have to realize.
I realize. Can't we maybe just stop talking?
You gotta realize that I don't want you to do anything you're not comfortable with. I'm perfectly willing to go through with it if it means anything to you.
Doesn't it mean anything to you? I mean, we could get along.
Of course it does. I don't want anybody but you. I don't want anyone else. And I know it's perfectly simple.
Oh yes, you know it's perfectly
You know
simple.
it's okay
You
for
would
you
just
to
do
say
something
that?
for me.
I would do anything for you.
Would you please, please, please stop talking?
You know,
I'll scream!
This train is coming in 5 minutes.
What did she say?
She said that the train is coming in 5 minutes.
I should take the bag to the station.
All right, and then we'll come back and finish these drinks.
Do you feel better?
I feel fine. There's nothing wrong with me. I feel fine.